नमस्कार विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण पुन्हा भेटतोय आजच्या नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये नवीन घटक घेऊन. क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन मध्ये आतापर्यंत आपण क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन सोडवण्याच्या पद्धती पाहिलेल्या आहेत आणि त्यानुसार त्याचे रूट्स काढलेले आहेत. आता आपण पाहतोय नेचर ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. नेचर ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ ए quadratic equation we see here. So look here, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is the quadratic equation. You know this. तुम्हाला माहिती आहे की ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. And by formula methods, roots of quadratic equation is x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. आणि फॉर्म्युला मेथड नुसार आपण जे रूट्स काढतो ते रूट्स काढण्याचा हा फॉर्म्युला आहे. सर्वांना माहिती आहे x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. या आधीच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण फॉर्म्युला मेथड नुसार काही एक्झाम्पल्स सोडवलेले आहेत आणि त्याचवेळी आपण एक चर्चा अशी केली होती, द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac. वी गेट व्हेरिएबल व्हॅल्यूज ऑफ दिस बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac. इट इज ग्रेटर दॅन 0, लेस दॅन 0 और इक्वल टू 0. ग्रेटर दॅन 0, लेस दॅन 0 और इक्वल टू 0 अशा तीन प्रकारच्या व्हॅल्यू आपण पाहिलेल्या आहेत. त्यानुसार त्याचे रूट्स कसे असतात ते आपण पुन्हा एकदा इथं पाहतोय. पहा, फर्स्ट कंडिशन, इफ बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac इज इक्वल टू 0. जर बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac ची किंमत 0 असेल, देन x इज इक्वल टू मायनस b प्लस मायनस, फॉर दिस बी स्क्वेअर मायनस 4ac यू राइट हियर 0 and upon 2a. Then separate this, x is equal to minus b plus 0 upon 2a or x is equal to minus b minus 0 upon 2a. By observation, these two values are same. निरीक्षण केलं तर ह्या दोन्ही किमती कशा आहेत? सेम आहेत. Therefore, the roots of quadratic equation are real and equal. Real and equal. So that is the first nature of this root. Now, second condition, if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, that means value is positive. जर b square minus 4ac ची किंमत पॉझिटिव्ह असेल, then x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So these are the values we get here, some unequal values. What is here, some unequal values? Now separate this. What do you get here, sir? X is equal to minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So that is a plus here. And second value is minus b minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So these are two different values. Therefore it is unequal, but they are real. Therefore roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. Therefore the roots of quadratic equation are real and unequal. Now third condition, if b square minus 4ac less than 0, that means value is negative, then x is equal to minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So look here, the value of b square minus 4ac here, some minus negative numbers, and square root of negative numbers is not real numbers. The square root of negative numbers is not real numbers. Therefore the roots of quadratic equation are not real number. So as like we see here some nature of roots of quadratic equation. Now we see in detail for this, but before this you write. Then we details of these roots. Now we see details about these roots. Look here. The roots of quadratic equation calculated by this formula and nature of the roots of this quadratic equation depends upon the value of b square minus 4ac. b square minus 4ac. And this b square minus 4ac you call yours a discriminant. What you call yours a discriminant. Look here, in this formula there is b square minus 4ac. And b square minus 4ac, it is called here as discriminants. And it is denoted by Greek letter delta. So look here, so we see here b square minus 4ac you call discriminants and it is denoted by letter delta. Now we write in short the nature of the root. Look here sir, how is it? I make here one tables. So again we share some nature of roots in these tables. Look here, value of discriminant, that is delta. If delta is equal to 0, delta is equal to 0, roots are real and equal. Real and equals. If delta greater than 0, then roots are real and unequal. And last, if delta less than 0, then roots are not real. So as like we share the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Now using these tables we solve here some example on this, but before you write all this. Now we share some example. Find the value of discriminants of the equation x square plus 10x minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is a given quadratic equation and you find out value of discriminants. तुम्हाला वर्ग समीकरण दिले discriminant ची व्हॅल्यू काढायची म्हणजे आपल्याला काय लागणार आहे. Look here, we find the value of discriminants. You know formula for discriminant, that is the delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. So that is the formula, and we find out here first for this formula value of BAC by using this equation. So first you write here some value of ABC. That means you compare this equation to quadratic equation, general form of quadratic equation. That means you compare this equation to general form of quadratic equation. So we write here some comparing the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So compare this. So value of a here, so that is 1. So therefore a is equal to 1. Then b, that means 10x here, so you write here, so b is equal to 10 and c is equal to here, so minus 7. Now put up the values. B square, that means 10 square minus 4. What is the value of 4a? That means a is equal to 1 into c, that means minus 7. Now simplify this. 10 square, that is 100. Simplification of these terms, that is the 4 into 1 into minus 7, but here is also minus, so minus become here so plus. And 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 7 is 28. So you get here so 100 plus 28, 128. So that is the value of delta. That means the discriminants. This is the value of discriminants. So this is a simple example on this. You write this, then we see next example. Now we see here one more example. What is question here? determine nature of roots of the quadratic equations. Determine nature of roots of quadratic equation. quadratic equationच्या मुळांचं उकलींचं नेचर तुम्हाला काढायचं आहे. So for that you first find out value of a discriminant, then you decide what is the nature of this. So first we calculate value of b square minus 4ac, but before this we calculate value of abc. For that compare 2x square minus 5x plus 7 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And tell me what is value of a. So look here, so ax square 2x square, so that means a is equal to 2. Therefore a is equal to 2. Then minus 5x plus bx, that means b is equal to minus 5. b is equal to minus 5. And c is equal to here, so 7. Now you find out value of discriminant, that is the delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. Put up the values. काय करायचे, किमती ठेवायचे. b square, what is the value of b? That means minus 5 times square of this, that is minus 5 square, minus 4 into a. What is the value of a? That is a 2 into value of c, that is a 7. Simplify this. Minus 5 square, that is a 25, that is minus sign. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 7, 56 is equal to 25 minus 56. How much it is? It is a 31. But 25 minus 56, this is subtraction is here, so minus 31, that is the delta is equal to minus 31. Therefore delta less than 0. डेल्टा ची किंमत कशी आहे, लेस दॅन 0 आहे. Therefore the roots of quadratic equation, what is answer? If delta less than 0, then roots are not real numbers. Therefore the roots of quadratic equations are not real number. So we solve this example as like, we see one more example, but before this you write this. Now we see here's one activity. Look here, determine nature of roots of the quadratic equation. For that given one example, x square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0. And there are given some steps and you fill the boxes. तुम्हाला काय करायचे, काय स्टेप्स सोडून दिलेले आहेत, फक्त रिकामे बॉक्स भरायचे. So look here, compare x square plus 2x minus 9 is equal to 0 with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Then what is value of a? So look here, so by comparing, here's x square, here x square, so here is 1, so that is a is equal to 1, so I write here a is equal to 1. Then b is equal to, that is a bx, that is a 2x, so b is equal to 2, right here so 2. And c is equal to here some minus 9, so right here some minus 9. Then b square minus 4ac is equal to 2 square, that is a b square 2 square minus 4 into value of a, so what is value of a? That is a 1 into value of c, that is a minus 9. Solve this. 2 square, that is a 4. Now here is a minus 9, that is become plus, so right here some plus, and 4 into 9, that is a 36. 4 plus 36, that is a 40. So it is a greater than 0. Look here, so b square minus 4ac greater than 0. And you know, if value of delta is greater than 0, then the roots are real and unequal. So as like we solve this activity, you write this, then we see one more example and stop there. Now We see here the next example. Root 3x square plus 2 root 3x plus root 3 is equal to 0. So there are same steps. First you compare this equation. Compare the given equation with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. What is the value of a? Look here, sir. Under root 3x square and ax square, by comparing a is equal to root 3. Therefore, a is equal to root 3. Then 2 root 3x and bx. Compare this, you get value of b is equal to 2 under root 3. And last compare your constant term, that is c is equal to under root 3. C is equal to under root 3. Now for getting nature of roots of quadratic equation, we find out first value of discriminants. That means delta is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to, what are the values? B square, what is the value of b? 2 root 3. Alright, here so 2 root 3 and square of this, so square here. Minus 4 into a. How many a? Root 3. Right here, sir. Root 3. Into c, value of c, that is the under root 3. Now solve this. Simplify. 2 under root 3 square. So 2 square, that is a 4. Into under root 3 square, that is a 3. Minus 4 into root 3 into root 3, that is only 3. So right here, so 3. Now look here, so 4 into 3, that is a 12. Minus 4 into 3, that is a 12. So you get here delta is equal to 12 minus 12, that is a 0. Therefore, you decide. If value of delta is 0, then roots are real and equal. So right here, therefore the roots of given equation are real and equal. Real and equal. So as like we saw here some examples on nature of roots of the quadratic equations. So by using this you can solve some example given in practice set 2.5. बघा या पॉइंट वरती डायरेक्ट प्रॅक्टिस सेट नाही आहे, अजून काही पॉइंट्स आहेत, ते पॉइंट्स आपण पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये पाहतोय. पण यातील काही उदाहरणं प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5 मध्ये आहेत, ते तुम्ही सोडवू शकता. सो यू सॉल्व सम एक्झाम्पल गिवन इन प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5 डिपेंडिंग ऑन दिस पॉइंट नेचर ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ ए क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन. तर आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण त्या पॉइंटचा अभ्यास करून थांबतोय. तुम्ही काय करायचं आहे, प्रॅक्टिस 2.5 मध्ये असणारे याच्यावर आधारित असणारे एक्झाम्पल सोडवायचे आहेत. बाकीचा जो भाग यायचा म्हणजे यातलाच भाग जो आहे तो पुढच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण पाहतोय. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण आज येथेच थांबतोय. आपण पुन्हा भेटतोय नवीन व्हिडिओमध्ये याचाच पुढचा भाग घेऊन. पण तोपर्यंत प्रॅक्टिस सेट 2.5 मध्ये असणारे काही उदाहरणं जी याच्यावर आधारित आहे ती तुम्ही सॉल्व्ह करायची आहेत. तोपर्यंत सर्वांना धन्यवाद. बाय बाय, टाटा, सी यू अगेन.